That motherfucker was loud as shit. Alright, we about to go back to the, we about to go to my 300. We about to put the SRT airbag on it, and we're gonna be installing the bumper lights on that. So if you watched the last video, I'm talking about the lights that were blacked out. Basically, this is a charger, but basically these, I got them. We're gonna be swapping them, and I'll let you know when we get over there. We here. I'm gonna start off with the airbag. Start off with the airbag because it's warm in here, so why not? Why start outside in the cold? Just gotta put a flathead or a screwdriver into those holes. Pop them out. This one will come on. I'm gonna slap this one on there. Pop it off real quick.
We back again. Trying to take this off. Another day, another dollar.
There you go. Cut it off.
Make it a little easy in the video, but we was over there 20 minutes trying to take it off.
Them fucking pins, bro. These where they at? You don't even know where they at in here. These fucking pins right here be crazy.
Sun on the way.
Disconnect your battery because don't be like us. We ain't disconnect nothing. Well, we do this a lot, so. Boom. This one should just pull off. Bang. Chrysler airbag off. Yeah. My man right here wrapped this John for me. Cause the typical SRT shit, the fucking chrome be all faded. It's pretty simple. You should just be able to.
You have to change
the harness. This harness.
Yeah, for the horn.
Then, oh, you got it in your Jeep, right?
That's what I'm saying.
All right, bet. It's a light up airbag.
Yeah.
That's why the harness is different. You just gotta use a stock John. But this airbag, the light don't work. So I either gotta get it sent out, customized, or do it myself, or I don't know. We gotta do something so it'll work, but it don't work. I'm just gonna disconnect this one. This one for the horns, and then I'm gonna have to take these out. Damn, I'm gonna break that shit. I'm gonna get this off. I'm gonna go grab the other harness. I'm gonna show y'all the harness, and then we come back.
We back in business, I guess.
We needed this harness instead of the light up harness. I'm just gonna take these zip ties off, and we can swap it over. You got one, and a two, and you just unplug it right here. Pull this tape off because we don't need it right now, and then just reinstall this one. I think that's how it go. Unless it's the short one there, and that, I don't know, it don't matter. And you just reinstall these the same color. It's color match, so you can't really go wrong. Push down, push the clip in, push down, push the clip in, install the harness, and then should fit right on with no problem. And there you have an SRT steering wheel airbag on a Chrysler 300 steering wheel. Now, it'll match. What, you got the key in here? And this is what it looked like all installed. ready to go. I'm gonna turn it on so you can see the SRT. SRT. It ain't no SRT, but at least everything matched now. Trying to get everything situated for whenever we buy a swap. Hopefully something come up in Copart soon, cause your boy trying to get a 6.4. Nice. All right. We'll swap out. This from a Durango. But all you gotta do is take this little plastic piece off, and then I think we gotta swap this one over. And it should be plug and play. I don't see why not. But yeah, so I gotta take off the plastic, most likely the radial bezel, and then we gotta push these tabs in right here. Get it off. So the Durango ones fit. You just gotta swap the little trim bezel around it. It'll look naked like this. Be good to go. Oh, I don't even gotta put this on. You taking this one, right? It's better than the Charger one you said. Oh, Charger didn't even say start. So, yo, got you. All right. Should be pretty simple. I'm gonna get the Torx for that. Alright, so I think it's a T25, but I'm using the T20 and it's coming off, so we just send it. This one out. I don't know why it wasn't on. Shit wasn't even plugged in. Alright, let's see which one of these is which. This one, so this is the difference. This is what it looked like. It wasn't working at first. Yeah, I like that. Alright, I'm gonna put you on a time lapse. I'm gonna button this all back up, then we're gonna go to the back. We're gonna work around it. that over the stock ones for sure. Finally done that, John. Now we on the last one. And it's getting a little dark out, so hopefully we could beat the night. Either way, if it get dark, it don't fucking matter. I can show y'all a little better how it looks at night with all the lights on and everything. This is how it turned out. Looks mad clean. Yeah. See the other side still lit. Yeah guys, so that pretty much sums it up for this install. Yeah, the airbag, push button, and the LED markers.